Hey there, today I'll be showing you how to change clock font and color on the lock screen iPhone, and here is how. As of right now, you can modify the color and font that appear on your lock screen. This is the clock on iOS 17, the most recent version of your iPhone. In order to adjust it, let us navigate to our settings and scroll down until we reach the wallpaper section, and I will tap on it now. This is my current wallpaper, which you can customize by tapping there. As you can see, I have changed the clock's typeface and color, as well as all of the widgets. To do that, all we have to do is tap on, say, this 5:35 of the time, and it will present me with a variety of font options. I can select my favorite font, which is this one, and I am presently using it. You can even change the font to anything else you'd like. It provides you almost unlimited options. For example, you can go here and select any other hue or a spectrum. You can even tap the small icon to make it the same color as the guy's helmet, which is white, and then simply walk out of there. The astronaut's helmet on the lock screen will be the exact same color as the guy's helmet. I hope this helps. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.